to repair the tops of the walls and the gables, all before they can put a roof on. Alors, ils sont fous, ils sont pas, ils sont pas. Je peux dire ce que j'ai dit. C'est pas que... Je sais pas, moi je connais pas la capacité financière. S'ils ont les moyens d'entretenir, de restaurer cette maison, c'est certainement pas une bêtise. Et aujourd'hui, est-ce qu'il y a des difficultés particulières? La première difficulté, bien sûr, c'est la langue. Lack of money and language are certainly two of the problems ahead of them. Sheer volume of work is another. With the masons working on the house, Denny and Doug tentatively begin their new life as builders. With a mammoth job. They've got over 100 trees to cut down, and a section of railing to remove for access. This place is now their home and their future livelihood. With so little money, they need to do whatever they can themselves. But already, they've had to ask a neighbour, Vincent, for help. If it goes round.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
She's going to weigh a ton. I was just thinking, oh no! Hi!
I'm glad to see that Denny and Doug have at least realised their caravan isn't going to see them through the year. Winters are hard here at 1,000 feet up. Denny's solution is to try and build a hut, for which they need planning permission. But as you would expect in France, the process is complicated.
French are very fond of paperwork, so you have to have 4 copies of everything. Seems to be a huge amount of nonsense.